Today I'll show you how you can add a new car on GEICO. To add a new car online, you want to log into your GEICO account. You then want to click on the Policyholder Services tab, and then under Vehicles you want to click on the Add a Vehicle button. After you've done that, you just want to follow the instructions in order to add the new car to your policy. To add a new car by phone, you want to call GEICO customer service at 1-800-841-3000. You want to provide the representative with your policy number and the vehicle identification number of the new car. The representative will then walk you through the process of adding the new car to your policy. Here are some things to provide when adding a new car to your GEICO policy. You'll need your vehicle identification number, the make, model and year of your car, the current mileage, the purchase price. You need to know whether the car is owned, leased or financed. If the car is financed, you'll need the lender's name and contact information. You'll need your driver's license number. You'll need your date of birth and you will need your address. Once you've added the new car to your policy, your insurance premiums may go up. The exact amount of the increase will depend on the car's make, model, year and other factors. And here are some additional tips when adding a new car to your GEICO policy. You can add a new car to your policy at any time, but it's usually best to do so before you drive the car off the lot. If you're adding a car that is being financed, you may need to contact your lender to get their permission before adding the car to your policy. And then if you're adding a car that is a different make or model than the cars already on your policy, your insurance premiums may go up. So I hope you found this video helpful and I hope you now know how to add a new car on GEICO. If you do, please comment down below to say this video helped you out and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.